going into diagnostic test mode on an Amana washer. This is a 2025. Just gonna spin it all the way around. I'm gonna start from here. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Everything's gonna start flashing. We're gonna go until final spin and cycle complete are illuminated. We're gonna press it. So we're in. First test is lid lock. You just press the button and it's gonna lock the lid. And I like to go from here straight to the spin and the agitator test just because you need to be lid locked to try those tests. So we're gonna go all the way around to 3 o'clock. All these are gonna be illuminated, wash, cycle complete, lid locked. I'll try to lift it with one hand, but that's low speed. Stop that. There's 3 screws you remove from the back here. Here, and there's a little cover that goes there. 1 screw, and then you can lift this up because you won't be able to see the drum spinning otherwise. So then the next one down is the high speed spin. I say be real careful when you're doing this one. Hold on. Just trying to pull it up. That's high speed. We have to let it stop to do the next test. It's gonna take a minute. So that was just 1 click down that we just did. Low speed was 3 o'clock. We're at 4 o'clock now. Next one's gonna be the agitator, which is that. So wash, final spin, and cycle complete. And that's just the agitator by itself. So let's check that out. So that's just the agitator, so that's working perfectly. If it's spinning together, you got a problem. So that's the agitator, that was the high speed, that was a low speed spin. Now we're gonna go back all the way around. Now we're back to just the lid lock. Now turn off the lid lock. Our first test here is the cold water. Nice steady flow. The next click, that's hot water. That's working. Then the next 4 clicks are totally useless. 1, 2, 3, 4. The next one is the drain. So I got it going in a bucket there. So you're basically just going through all these tests, seeing if everything works. Drain's working fine. And that's pretty much it. Those are all your standard tests for your machine. You can check if everything's working properly. High speed, low speed, lock. Everything's working fine. And now since you're done all this, you don't have to do anything special here. You can just hold down the button And that's that. So just a quick recap on just how to get back in there and do that mode again. We spin all the way around. You can do it as much as you want. You can even do it one time. It doesn't have to be many times. So we're gonna start there. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Everything starts flashing. 1, 2, 3. Until those two lights are on. We're in. First test, lid lock. Cold water. Hot water. Nothing, 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 nothing. Pump. Lid lock. All the way around to 3 o'clock. That's your low spin test. High spin test. And that's your agitator. Then we're out of this. Whoops. Didn't mean to do that. That was the wrong one. Anyway, that was it. Just cancel out and you're out. That's that.